Hello all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kishana Hutagal. I am class 12 to a blank 4. My name is 12 to 3 double blank 62. First I will example what is mean by hardware. The definition of hardware is all type of components on a computer defined that have a implementation form, can be seen, thousand, and fold. Number 3, profit output. The information resulting from the data processing stage is the then set back to the user in the form of output. Number 4, storing information. The final function of hardware is to store data or information result from input and processing. Hardware output device. To make it easier for user recap output, hardware is needed, which is called a hardware output device. Example of hardware output device. Number 1, monitor screen. Number 2, LCD project. Number 3, printers. And number 4, speaker. 4. Hardware storage device. Hardware it is useful for storing data on a computer system. Example of hardware store device. Example of hardware store device. Number 1, hard disk. Number 2, optical disk. Number 3, flash disk. And number 4, micro SD. Okay, it won't to take long for me to example what is meant by hardware, what is the functional of hardware, how does hardware work, and what are some examples of the as of hardware. The following are some examples of hardware that fall into the input defined category. Number 1, keyboard. Profit input in the form of text. Number 2, mouse. Profit input in the form of cursor movement. Number 3, scanner. Convert analog document to digital or provides input in the form of image. Number 4, webcam or camera. Profit input in the form of video. And number 5, microphone. A device to provide audio input to the computer system. Next, how does the hardware work? Here, I will mention several ways the hardware works. Number 1, basic input introduction. Number 2, ASIC process introduction. And number 3, ASIC output introduction. Next are some examples of the hardware acts. Number 1, hardware input definition. Input definition is hardware asked by user to provide input or enter data into a computer system. Next is the function of the hardware. Hardware functional. Number 1, recap input. In the expansion regard the characteristic of the hardware, it has been mentioned that this defines a link between the software and the user. Number 2, processing data information. Continue the previous process, the input result of the user will be processed. Number 2, hardware processes device. Its task is to processing all data and information input by the user via the input device. The following are some examples of hardware that fall into the process device category. Number 1, Central Processing Unit, CPU, or processor. Number 2, Random Access Memory, RAM. And number 3, Video Graphic Array, VGA. Well, the last one is the conclusion of the hardware. Conclusion. Hardware refers to the physical form and appearance of a computer that provides support for a key function such as input, output, processing, and computing. Maybe that's all can convey about hardware. I'm sorry if I said anything wrong. Thank you. Bye.